Hello, this is Wattsan and my name is Anli and I'm here to invite you to open up some doors. The CIDE Expo, an international event in the furnishing, smart home and door sectors, will take place in Beijing from March 13th to 16th. 130,000 square meters and 140,000 guests. This is the grand opening of the year for these branches. You will be able to meet providers of customized home, finishing, wooden doors, system windows, and intelligent machines. And here is where we come in. We will present our models suitable for the decoration and manufacturing of those products. The CNC Router M3 3025 with the auto tool change. The CNC Router M1 3025 RD, specially designed for the woodworking. The CNC Router 0609 Mini, a great help with the small pieces. The CNC Router M1 1619, a medium model for compactor production. And the laser marker UVTT in the new gray shell. If you are involved in the industry and will think about equipment, now is your chance to choose and see it firsthand. We will be located at both W4102A. The address is number 88, Tianzhu Yuxiang Road, Shunyi District, Beijing. In the description below, we will leave a link to the exhibition website where you can register for the event. My name is Anli. This is Wattsan. See you there!